how to sign up to Chase Bank account. So if you want to sign up to Chase Bank and if you want to create an account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Chase Bank. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.chase.com. And here on the right side, you will have sign up now, not enrolled. Click on that and it will take you to the sign up page. So to sign up to your account, first you need to have your social security number or your tax ID number or any account or application number, or you need to have access to your mobile or email that you have told them. And scroll down, and if you already have an account, then you can go for sign in and you can sign into your account. But if you don't have an account, then scroll down and here you need to choose personal, business or commercial. So I'll be choosing personal, and here on the first blank you need to enter your account, card or application number. So once you enter your account, card or application number, you need to enter your social security number here. But if you don't remember your social security number or if you don't have a social security number, then click on no social security number, and then you need to enter your date of birth. And once you enter your date of birth, you need to scroll down and here you need to create your username. So create a username to access to your account online. So enter your username, and once you enter your username and once you enter your account, card or application number and all of these numbers, you can click on next, which is here on the bottom right. And after clicking on next, which is here on the bottom right, it will take you to the create password page. From there, you can create your password of your Chase account. And once you create your password, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your Chase account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.